Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can fix Supercell ID verification code not received error. So first of all, I'll show you a couple of methods. You can try both. So the first option would be to go to your Gmail or the mail app that you are using. So open that. So from there, you'll have to go to their spam inbox. So in Gmail, you'll have to press this 3-bar button, and then you'll have to scroll down, and then you'll see spam. So go into spam, and you might see your codes stored here. Like sometimes Gmail put if there are many emails, Gmail sometimes put them in spam. So try it out. Your code might be in spam. So the second method would be to close your Gmail app and then press on it. Go to app info, and then you'll have to press on your storage, and then you'll have to press clear cache. So it will clear your Gmail's cache, and then you can try sending the code again through your game. So let's do that now. So let's open a Supercell game. So I have Brawl Stars. So after launching the game, you'll have to press this 3-dot button, and then go to settings, and then you'll see this help and support button. Press on that. So from here, you'll have to press this chat icon at the very top right corner, and then you'll have to press leave a message here. So after pressing leave a message, it will take you to this Brawl Stars support chat, and then from here you'll have to chat with the automated bot, and it will help you regain your ID, or you can tell them that your code is not sending to your mail. So you'll have to select account access and Supercell ID. So they will ask you of your player tag, and then you'll have to press when you have the player tag ready, please tap continue. So you'll have to know your player tag and then press continue, and then you'll have to write your player tag and then name of your lost account. So simply go through all the questions that they will be asking. It will be for verification, and they will help you get your code. So that was all for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.